Hey everybody, Rick from Tremor Outdoors. Today we are doing the installation of F-150 LEDs, their 42-inch Paladin light bar. Beautiful light bar. I'm really excited about this one, and it looks like it'll be a pretty straightforward install. It comes with a wiring harness, which is plug and play. Got some tweaks we're going to do to it, which I'll show you along the way here, and we're going to get at it right now. Let's go. So I want to talk to you about the mounting of the front light bar here for the Paladin. I was able to use, because I have the modular bumper, and I was able to use the factory bolt that's on there to put the bracket, and it worked really well. It's perfect size for this 42-inch. It lines up awesome, so I was really pleased with that. The other thing to talk about are these Torx bits that come with the Paladin for mounting it onto the brackets. I should have ordered, and I have ordered from F-150 LEDs, the tamper-resistant bolts, just to give you better security, because the way this is, anybody could come along and unscrew it, cut the power cord right there, and away they go. So do yourself a favor, if you're going to order this beautiful light bar, spend the extra few bucks and get the actual security bolts. Okay, I know it's a little challenging to see that, but that's the silver module, which is for the remote control function for the Paladin light bar. Controls all of your strobing functions, etc. Brett has just used some adhesive tape and put it onto the side of the battery box. It plugs and plays into the wiring harness that the light bar comes with. What we're going to do is the wiring that should have gone through the firewall and to the switch that would accompany this typically. We're going to actually cut it off, shorten it up, and we're going to be attaching it to the terminal block that Brett put in previously. And this is for the upfitter switch wires that are typically dead ending behind the battery. So we've got them there for ease of application, and then it'll automatically be connected to the upfitter switches in the truck cab. All right, so what Brett did is we've got the power lead going from the light bar up through the grill, snaked it up through the back. We've used some Gorilla Tape to stick it to the back of the grill. Up through here, under, around, and over to the terminal block that we've mentioned in multiple videos. And what we've done is we've connected the amber daytime running lights to switch number 4, and switch number 5 has the actual floodlights. So it's easy connection to do it this way. I highly recommend anybody who's doing any kind of work, if you have the upfitter switches in the cab, do it this way. It makes connecting all of your power supplies so much easier. All right, let's take a look at how these lights look. All right, that's got the Paladin light bar 42-inch installed on the front of Fenrir here. Love it. That light bar is amazing. The daytime running lights are that really nice amber color, really sets off the front of the truck amazing. It looks great, and it also provides some really nice visibility as well for people seeing you coming. The only caveat to that I would say is that because this is technically an off-road light bar, I personally have ordered the light bar cover in case I do get pulled over and told you can't do that, and the way of avoiding a ticket hopefully is just put the cover on it. It's one of those things, it just depends on the jurisdiction you're in, whether they allow you to have that or not. Apart from that, the floodlights are incredible. Like, I mean, you want to talk about blindingly bright, like they are crazy bright. So it works really, really well. I'm looking forward to using these off-road and lighting up the road in front of me. You check them out on F150LEDS.com. Amazing product, great company. Love these guys. They've been amazing with me, and can't say enough good things about them. So I think you will as well. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.